Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Thermomix TM31. Today, we will focus on common issues related to the control board and how to address them effectively. Let's get started by gathering the necessary tools for this repair. First, you will need a screwdriver set, specifically a Torx screwdriver for the screws on the device. A flathead screwdriver may also be handy for prying open the casing. Additionally, you'll need a multimeter for testing electrical components, and some isopropyl alcohol along with a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Now that we have our tools, let's begin by unplugging the Thermomix TM31 from the wall. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the device is disconnected from any power source before proceeding. Next, turn the device upside down and locate the screws securing the bottom cover. Use your Torx screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the bottom cover using the flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage any clips. With the cover removed, we can now access the internal components. Inspect the control board for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it's crucial to address them before reassembling the device. At this point, if you feel uncertain about handling the repair, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can help identify the problem and suggest the best course of action. If you're comfortable continuing, you can use the multimeter to test the connections on the control board. Check for continuity across various points to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you find any faulty parts, consider sourcing replacements from reliable suppliers. Before cleaning the internals, take a moment to wipe down the components with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. This will help remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated, improving the performance of your device. Once everything is cleaned and tested, it's time to reassemble the Thermomix. Carefully align the bottom cover and reinsert the screws using your Torx screwdriver. Make sure they are tightened securely but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the casing. Now that the unit is reassembled, plug it back in and power it on. Check to see if the control board operates as intended. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting a malfunctioning device. Our service ensures no calls, no travel, making it as hassle-free as possible. Lastly, if you need a quote before repair, feel free to contact us for an estimate. We're here to help you get your Thermomix TM31 back to working order efficiently and effectively. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope your repair is a success. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.